baby flamingos in just a short while. Photography of the baby flamingos will be free, so all you have to do is bring down your own cameras. In the meantime, you're more than welcome to take pictures of the birds while we bring them back home. Now, you've been a beautiful audience. Remember, you can help the birds by taking actions for them. Now, on behalf of our generous sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, we would like to wish everyone here a happy Lunar New Year. 新年快乐! Thank you and bye-bye!